Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will show how to unstake on Trust Wallet. First, open your Trust Wallet application on your mobile device. Once inside, locate and tap on the Discover tab at the bottom of your screen. This section displays various decentralized applications and staking options. From there, you will see a list of your currently staked cryptocurrencies. Simply select the specific asset you intend to unstake to proceed with the process. After selecting your desired cryptocurrency, you will see its specific details. Look for and tap on the staking option, which will display your current staking information, including your staked amount and any rewards. Next, find the Unstake button and tap it to initiate the withdrawal process. Before finalizing, carefully review all the transaction details presented on your screen to ensure accuracy. Once you've initiated the unstake, you'll be prompted to review the transaction. Pay close attention to the network fees, which are typically a small amount, often less than $1, depending on the network congestion. After reviewing, approve the transaction using your wallet password or biometric authentication, like a fingerprint or Face ID. The network will then process your request, which usually takes a few minutes to confirm. After the network confirms your unstake request, your funds will be returned to your main wallet balance. The time it takes for these funds to become fully available can vary, often ranging from a few minutes to several days, depending on the specific blockchain network's unbonding period. You'll receive a notification once the process is complete. Remember to check the description for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals. Enjoy your newly available assets.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.